Ever wondered how a small stone can cause excruciating pain? Welcome to the world of kidney stones. These tiny hard deposits made of mineral and salt crystals are a common health problem, affecting millions worldwide. They form when there's an imbalance in the substances your urine carries, creating a painful passage down your urinary tract. Imagine a pebble trying to navigate a tiny winding stream. That's the discomfort of a kidney stone. So, what causes these kidney stones? Let's dive deep into the science behind it. To understand kidney stones, you need to know about oxalates. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in various plants and foods. Now here's where the science kicks in. When oxalates, found in foods like spinach, rhubarb, and chocolate, combine with calcium in our kidneys, they form crystals. Over time, these crystals can grow into kidney stones. Our bodies can handle a certain amount of oxalates, but when we consume too much, or when our body's ability to eliminate them is compromised, we may end up with a surplus. This excess can lead to kidney stone formation. It's a bit like a traffic jam in your kidneys where these oxalate and calcium vehicles get stuck and start piling up, eventually forming a stone. Remember, not all oxalates are bad. They play roles in various metabolic processes. The key is balance. Now that we know the cause, can we prevent kidney stones? Absolutely, and here's how. Prevention is always better than cure, and kidney stones are no exception. To keep these painful pebbles at bay, let's talk about food and supplements that can help. First up, water. Hydration is key, as it helps dilute the substances that can form stones. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water each day. Next, calcium-rich foods. Counterintuitively, these can actually help prevent kidney stones. Foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt can help bind oxalates, preventing them from crystallizing in your kidneys. Remember oxalates? They're compounds found in certain foods that can contribute to stone formation. Limiting high oxalate foods like spinach, rhubarb, and almonds can be beneficial. To balance it out, include foods high in magnesium and potassium, like bananas and avocados. These help prevent the formation of crystals that can turn into stones. Supplements like vitamin B6 and fish oil can also be helpful. But remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make the right choices for a kidney stone-free life. Kidney stones may be painful, but with the right knowledge, you can keep them at bay. Remember, it's all about balancing your diet, reducing oxalate-rich foods like spinach and rhubarb, while increasing calcium and water intake. Supplements like magnesium and B6 can also be beneficial. Don't let kidney stones hinder your health journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay healthy.